Eating bread every day can have a range of effects on your body, depending on the type of bread you choose. Here's a comprehensive overview of what happens when bread is a daily part of your diet. 1. Source of energy. High voltage bread, especially whole grain varieties, provides a significant source of carbohydrates, which are converted into glucose to fuel your body and brain. Whole grains offer sustained energy release, helping you maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. The slow digestion supports cognitive function and helps you feel fuller longer. Refined bread can lead to rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, causing energy crashes and leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after eating. 2. Impact on blood sugar levels. Drop of blood. Different types of bread have varying effects on blood sugar levels. Whole grain breads have a lower glycemic index, GI, leading to gradual increases in blood sugar levels. This helps maintain steady blood sugar, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Refined bread has a high GI, causing quick and sharp rises in blood sugar. Over time, this can strain your pancreas and increase the likelihood of developing insulin resistance and related metabolic disorders. 3. Nutrient intake. Bread can be a significant source of essential nutrients, particularly if it is made from whole grains. Whole grain bread is rich in dietary fiber, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and other vital nutrients. These contribute to overall health, supporting everything from red blood cell production to muscle and nerve function. Refined bread is often stripped of many nutrients during processing, making it less nutritious. It also typically lacks fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. 4. Fiber and digestion. Rice plant whole grain bread is an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber aids digestion by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome, aids in weight management by promoting satiety, and can help lower cholesterol levels. Low fiber breads, such as those made from refined flour, can lead to digestive issues like constipation and may not provide the same satiety, leading to overeating. 5. Weight management. Balance scale. The type and amount of bread you consume can impact your weight. Whole grain bread, with its high fiber content, can help with weight management by making you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Consuming large amounts of refined bread can contribute to weight gain due to its higher calorie content and lower satiety, prompting more frequent eating. 6. Heart health. Heart bread can have varying effects on heart health depending on its type. Whole grain bread can improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Refined breads, especially those high in added sugars, can raise bad cholesterol levels and increase heart disease risk when consumed in excess. 7. Allergies and sensitivities. Rice plant bread contains gluten, which can be problematic for some individuals. For those without gluten sensitivities, whole grain bread can be part of a balanced, healthy diet. For individuals with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity, consuming bread can cause significant health issues, including digestive discomfort, inflammation, and nutrient malabsorption. 8. Dental health. Tooth bread can influence dental health, especially if it is refined and sticky. Whole grain breads are less likely to adhere to teeth compared to sugary, sticky breads. Sugary or sticky bread can promote tooth decay by sticking to teeth and serving as a food source for bacteria, leading to cavities if good oral hygiene is not maintained. In summary, incorporating bread into your daily diet can be beneficial if you choose whole grain varieties, which offer sustained energy, better nutrient intake, improved digestion, and heart health benefits. However, refined breads can lead to blood sugar spikes, weight gain, and nutrient deficiencies. Balance and moderation, along with choosing whole grains, are key to making bread a healthy part of your everyday diet.